If you're serious about fitness, Garmin is a name you can't ignore. From seasoned athletes to weekend warriors, their fitness watches have become indispensable tools for tracking performance and improving training. Recently, some major rumors have surfaced about a new addition to the Garmin family, the Garmin Forerunner 975. This new device might very well set a new benchmark for fitness wearables, taking everything we love about Garmin watches to the next level. Let's dive into all the details we know so far, from the latest leaks and predictions to potential features and what we can expect in terms of price and release date. Stay tuned for all the juicy insights. The Forerunner legacy, how we got here. The Forerunner series has a long history with Garmin, beginning as a simple GPS watch designed for runners. It tracked basic metrics like distance, pace, and heart rate, making it a valuable companion for athletes. But over time, Garmin's commitment to innovation meant the Forerunner line evolved, continuously adding new features and improving its design. The Forerunner 965 brought an AMOLED display, impressive battery life, and advanced training metrics, but it seems like the 975 will be a true game changer. Leaks, clues, and speculations. What we know. So far, unlike some major product launches that come with flashy teasers and big announcements, the Forerunner 975 has been much quieter, at least for now. Instead of a big reveal, tech insiders uncovered key details hidden in an FCC filing. These documents provided the first glimpse into the design and functionality of the upcoming device. While Garmin hasn't officially confirmed anything, these leaks have set the stage for what's to come. Industry experts quickly pieced together information from the documents, confirming that this new device is more than just an incremental upgrade. The 975 looks set to push the boundaries of what's possible in a fitness watch. Expected release date. When can we expect it? Garmin has established a pretty predictable release cycle for its high-end devices, typically launching big fitness watches in the spring or early summer. This timing coincides with the triathlon season, which is when athletes are in full training mode, preparing for races and pushing their limits. Based on this pattern, the Forerunner 975 is expected to hit the shelves between April and June 2025. This will give athletes plenty of time to integrate the new watch into their training and racing routines throughout the summer months. Anticipated features. What's coming to your wrist? Now, let's get into the exciting part. What new features can we expect from the Forerunner 975? Here's a breakdown of what we know from leaks, rumors, and expert predictions. Advanced running metrics. Garmin already provides solid data on running metrics, but the 975 is expected to take this to the next level. We could see advanced features, like stride length optimization, ground contact time analysis, vertical oscillation tracking, and real-time biomechanical feedback. These features will help athletes fine-tune their form, avoid injuries, and improve performance. Enhanced heart rate and VO2 max tracking. Garmin is rumored to include a new optical sensor, potentially the Elevate 5, for even more accurate heart rate measurements. Expect to see precise heart rate variability data and VO2 max estimates based on your training intensity. This will be especially useful for athletes focused on high-intensity workouts and performance optimization, AI coaching, and adaptive workouts. Garmin is leaning heavily into AI and smart analytics. The Forerunner 975 might feature AI-powered coaching that offers personalized training suggestions. Based on factors like fatigue levels, the watch could adjust your workout in real time. It might also include race predictions, so you'll know exactly where you stand during different training phases. Extended battery life with solar charging. Battery life is always a top concern for endurance athletes, and Garmin may address this with solar charging, borrowed from their Fenix and Enduro lines. With efficient GPS usage and custom power modes, the 975 will help athletes keep their watch running longer, whether they're on a long-distance run, multi-day hike, or Ironman event. Upgraded GPS and navigation tools. The Forerunner 975 is expected to include multi-band GNSS for improved signal accuracy, especially in dense environments like forests or urban areas. Plus, the watch might come with offline topographic maps for trail runners, cyclists, and adventurers who need detailed navigation without an internet connection. Design tweaks and display enhancements. While Garmin tends to stick with a familiar design language, small adjustments can make a big difference. The 975 could feature a more rugged casing, improved screen brightness, and faster UI animations. There might also be a Forerunner 975S, a smaller, lighter variant for those with smaller wrists. Increased storage and smart features. The Forerunner 975 could have up to 32 GB of storage, doubling the amount found in previous models. This means more space for music, maps, and workout data. Additionally, features like Bluetooth calling, voice assistant integration, and a built-in speaker could make this more of a smartwatch hybrid, blending fitness tracking with everyday convenience. Garmin Pay controversy. One of the more surprising rumors is that Garmin might remove Garmin Pay, their contactless payment feature, from the 975. While some users may miss the convenience of being able to pay directly from their watch, this change could be aimed at maximizing battery life and keeping the watch focused on its core fitness functions. Performance watch meets smartwatch. With each new iteration, Garmin has successfully blended smart features with athlete-focused tools. The Forerunner 975 seems to be the perfect balance, rugged and efficient, yet connected and smart. Whether you're an elite marathoner or someone who loves tracking every workout, the 975 promises to offer something for everyone. Final thoughts. If you're serious about your training, the Forerunner 975 looks like it will be a game changer. With smarter metrics, advanced analytics, extended battery life, and hybrid smartwatch features, this watch will support athletes at every level. Whether you're a casual runner, a triathlete, or a professional coach, the Forerunner 975 will likely help you train smarter and push your limits further. As we await its official release, it's clear that Garmin isn't slowing down anytime soon. The Forerunner series continues to evolve, and the 975 could very well set a new standard for fitness wearables. That's all for now. If you're excited about the upcoming Forerunner 975 and want to stay updated on the latest leaks, reviews, and tech analysis, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you informed on every detail leading up to the official release. Stay tuned and stay ahead of the curve with the best fitness tech news. Thanks for watching.